recipe is Kanpai Omurice. Kanpai means cheers and omurice is egg-wrapped fried rice. And you can substitute it with any kind of fried rice or maybe flavored rice, whatever you have it available. And it can be a leftover. It's very fun and entertaining recipe, so it's a good idea for your Father's Day meal or maybe something to surprise your honey or whatever. So I hope you enjoy.
For this recipe, you need following ingredients. I'm going to use Chinese style fried rice, but you can use any kind of flavored rice or fried rice. Cut one sausage diagonally to look like your thumb. And chop the other two to look like the rest of your fingers. Beat 1 or 2 eggs in a bowl. Heat cooking oil in a pan and make a thin omelette. If you don't have a rectangle omelette pan, you can make a circle thin omelette and cut if needed. Oops, omelette doesn't have to be perfect. After you remove the egg, cook the sausage. Cut the longer side of the omelette and make a thin strip. Place the rice of your choice on the plate and shape it like a mug. Cover the rice with the thin omelette. Make the handle with the thin strip. Place the sausages to look like holding the mug. Draw the fingernails with mayonnaise. And draw the form as big as you want. And then write a message with ketchup. You can use cotton swab to fix the letters. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.